Before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified when published new video. How to have flawless skin in a week. Having skin that is free of pimples, redness, and dark spots can improve your confidence and personal satisfaction. While getting skin that feels flawless is a progressing procedure that takes time, there are a few things you can do to rapidly get your skin on the right track. To get flawless skin in a week, start washing your face once in the morning and once at night with a non-comedogenic gentle cleanser. Use an exfoliating scrub on the 1st, 4th, and 7th day of the week to remove dead skin so your face looks smoother and healthier. Throughout the week, drink at least 8 glasses of water every day and get 8 hours of sleep every night. 9 natural ways you get flawless skin in a week. 9. Sleep. Ensure you get your 8 hours every night, perhaps a bit more if you are a teenager. Being well rested gives your body more vitality to go about its daily routine, and leaves you feeling even better. Flawless skin doesn't have big dark circles. 8. Exercise. Exercising helps you metabolize. A walk with your dog or some yoga lessons do make a difference. Healthy skin is just another part of a healthy body. 7. Drink plenty of fluids. Try to drink 8 glasses of fluids, preferably water, every day. Avoid sugary soft drinks, caffeine, and coffee. Green herbal tea is rich in cancer prevention agents, which shield cells in your body from damage. 6. Eat properly. A great menu is a balanced menu. Keep in mind the food pyramid. Eat fruits and vegetables. Nutritionists recommend eating 3 servings of fruit and 5 servings of vegetables daily. Avoid foods with caffeine and sugar, as well as greasy foods and red meat. 5. Wash off your makeup. Before going to bed, make sure to remove any makeup you put on. Washing your face may do the trick, but some makeup may require cosmetics remover. 4. Use your face wash every 2 days. You won't see a difference if you only use it once a week. Use your scrub, which lifts off dead layers of skin, just every few days as to avoid scrubbing off too much skin. 3. Use sunscreen for daily use. Try for a facial sunscreen with no fragrance or oil. Sunscreen will help block harmful UVA and UVB rays that can lead to skin damage and cancers. 2. Invest in a cleanser, toner, moisturizer and facial scrub suited to your skin type. You may need to try out a few brands before you find the perfect one. Talk to an associate at a makeup or skincare counter. You will be able to test different formulas. They may even offer samples so you can try a product out for a day or two. 1. Determine your skin type. Is it oily, dry, normal, or combination of either? With a specific end goal to do this, wash your face, let it dry and leave your face totally untouched for an hour. Inspect by dabbing a tissue between your nose and cheek, called the T-zone. Do this every day, and you will soon begin to see the results. Are you visiting our channel for the first time? Then click subscribe and click the bell icon to watch more videos.